Samsung's Gear IconX 2018 are fitness wireless earbuds and a refresh from the original IconX, which were released in 2016. Its highlight features include the ability to store music directly on the earbuds, intuitive gesture controls, and a built-in voice guidance fitness coach. Following 3 weeks of daily use, this is my review of the Gear IconX 2018. Inside the box you get the charging case, the Gear IconX themselves, a quick start guide, 2 extra wingtips, small and large, 2 extra ear tips, small and large, a cleaning brush, I'll talk more about this later, 2 USB adapters, 1 for USB-C and 1 for micro USB, and a USB Type-C cable. The medium wingtip and ear tips are already pre-installed on the earbuds straight out the box. I found the medium set to fit me comfortably, but you can easily swap them out for the smaller or larger ones to suit you. To pair the IconX to your phone, just press and hold the Bluetooth button and ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. If you don't already have the Galaxy Wearables app, it will prompt you to download it from the Play Store. Once paired, you'll be taken directly into the app. Closing the lid of the IconX unpairs the device. The next time you want to use it, simply open the lid and it will pair automatically. Note that it takes about 10 to 12 seconds to pair. I always had this issue with earbuds not staying in my ear, especially during workouts. I was surprised to find that these actually stayed in my ears while training without any adjustments. I highly suggest that you try each pair of wingtips and ear tips provided to find the one that fits you best. The IconX have light water resistance, so sweat really shouldn't cause any damage to them. I do sweat a lot during workouts, and despite that, they have never fell out once. Besides working as regular Bluetooth headphones, the standout feature of the IconX is that they have 4 GB of storage built right into them. This means you can store music directly on the earbuds and not have to worry about bringing your phone to the gym or out for runs. Samsung states that they can hold up to 1,000 songs. There are 3 ways to put music onto the IconX. 1. From the phone to the IconX via USB cable and USB adapter. 2. From the phone to the IconX wirelessly. And 3. From your computer to the IconX via USB cable. To manage music stored on the IconX, load up the Samsung Wearables app. You can shuffle, delete, and rearrange the tracks. You also have the ability to add tracks to a pre-made workout or favorites playlist. Unfortunately, you are not able to create your own playlist. The IconX also comes with gesture controls, which were frankly extremely confusing for the first week of use. Confused yet? I sure was when I first started using them. But to be fair, after about a week, I got accustomed to them and they do work fine. Let's talk about sound. They are headphones after all. Call quality on the IconX over Bluetooth has been very impressive. I'm able to hear the person I'm speaking to very clearly, and when asked how I sounded, I was told by several that they couldn't tell the difference in quality compared to if I was using my phone. In terms of music, my only other experience with wireless earphones is with the Jaybirds X3s. The IconX do not have as much bass, but I'm very happy with their overall sound quality considering that they are truly wireless. If you have a device that supports Dolby Atmos, make sure that's turned on. It does make a difference. The Galaxy Wearable app includes an equalizer that lets you choose from 5 presets. My favorite is dynamic. There's also an ambient sound function that will help you stay aware of your surroundings by not cancelling out any background noise. It basically uses the mic to pump in sound from around you right into your earbuds. The voice focus amplifies the voices of the people around you. As mentioned earlier in the box, you'll find tiny black screens as well as a removal tool. These are replacements for the tiny black screen that covers the earbuds opening. Over time, it may get clogged with a combination of earwax, dirt, and sweat, leading to decreased volume. Replacing the tiny black protective screen should resolve that issue. The IconX are rated for 7 hours of playback using just the earbuds, 5 hours of playback when streaming from a mobile device over Bluetooth, and 4 hours of talk time for voice calls. The charging case provides 1 full charge to the earbuds, and a 10-minute charge will give you 1 hour of battery. During my testing, I found that it took a little over an hour to fully charge the case in IconX. I love the design and aesthetics of the case, it's super cute. The case has a slight magnet to ensure the earbuds are seated properly in position for charging. There are 2 indicator lights on the front which will shine green if the earbuds are fully charged and will shine red if the earbuds are being charged via the case. On the back, you have a button to put the headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode, as well as an LED indicator showing you the battery status of the case. Although I would have liked to see the case provide more than 1 full charge, in the grand scheme of things, it's more than adequate. My use case has been about an hour every morning when I'm at the gym, plus during the day if I'm running errands or doing chores around the house. The IconX lasts me about a week before both the case and earbuds are out of juice. Even if they're low on battery, a 10-minute charge before you leave or in your car will easily get you through a workout. Overall, I'm very happy with the battery performance. The IconX features a built-in coach as well as fitness tracking capabilities. The accelerometer allows the IconX to estimate how fast or slow you are running as well as how far you've traveled. It will then provide voice prompts urging you to speed up or slow down based on a pre-selected running program in the wearable app. It'll say things like, take longer strides to increase your pace, or speed up to reach 8.5 kilometers an hour. If you use Samsung Health to track your training, you also have the option to export your workouts directly from the wearables app. I wouldn't count on the IconX to be super accurate with its tracking abilities, but if you're looking for a push during your runs, I think the built-in coach provides some very good motivation. The big selling features for me are the ability to store music directly on the earbuds, good sound quality combined with a sleek low-profile design that actually stays in my ears. I absolutely love not having to lug my phone around during workouts. The IconX do go on sale occasionally, and if you're able to snag one for a discounted price, I think they're worth it, especially since the future of the headphone jack seems numbered. If you don't care for the onboard storage because you stream all your music, or want a pair of earbuds that will last an 8-hour workday, these probably won't cut it. Thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, peace.